Today we're at Corvette Mike's in Anaheim, California, and we're looking at this DeLorean right here. This DeLorean only has 311 miles on it, probably one of the lowest mileage original example DeLoreans left in 2019, and it's priced at $50,000, which honestly is a bargain for a DeLorean like this. It's definitely like a Concours ready car. It even has the original tires on it still. I mean, it's absolutely perfect, pristine inside and out. This is what the DeLoreans look like when they rolled off the assembly line.
Let's have a look. So that's the original plastic bottle. This is interesting. I didn't know that was on the 81s. That came out later.
Could have been something they had to know.
Could be, throttle body cover, throttle plate cover.
I'll take the L88 over there. Yeah. The 63 black red.
So is he selling this or no?
Yes.
He is. How much? 50K? For 310 miles? It's like nothing, man.
Isn't that crazy?
I'm surprised. Usually these low mile cars go to collectors' hands, and you know what I mean, as opposed to people like us that drive them.
Yeah. But I mean, like, if you do get this car, clean it up, maintenance it, show car.
Oh, for sure, man. Pretty clean, man. It's got like straight body and everything, nothing, no dents.
Yeah, the tires on it. Those are original tires. I'm like, good God.
They're about to disintegrate.
Yeah.
Explode.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah.
Thanks, man.
Ah, they still have the stainless. Yeah. I thought this is this an 81? Is an 81? This had to be the dealership.
What's the VIN on it?
It is 5924.
So it's a November build, probably?
October.
Oh, okay. October, November, so it's a later October car. No, because my car should have the stainless like that, and my cars are earlier than this.
What I read, maybe you can tell me if you read something different, is that all the stainless ones were from the dealership, and then when they came out with the plastic, that was from the manufacturer.
Yeah, correct. Actually having door guides on the car, right?
Yeah, because they shipped them out without the guides, and I guess they were having an issue.
Yeah. It was really good cars.
Yeah.
That's what the original. See, and my windshield looks pretty close to that. They didn't, you know, for all Ed Bernstein was or was not, he did a pretty good job with some of the repop parts. He really did.
Yeah.
It's actually really clean underneath. Wow. I know, but you never know. I mean,
Well, he told me he drove it.
some cars, low miles and rust all over the place. But look at that. Look at that original muffler shield, man. It's a great shape.
Don't forget any asbestos.
Oh yeah, speaking of asbestos,
Yeah, there's asbestos.
the catalytic converter shield.
Yeah. Yeah. That's all asbestos.
Look at that. Damn, that thing's in mint condition.
Bought this just parked it, they thought it'd be worth $1 million.
Yeah.
Exactly what happened. It's cool.
Well, you can get more than 50 for this.
Yeah, they should.
Easily.
They absolutely do. Right now, yeah.
Look at those Goodyears, man.
Yeah, this is probably even better than Florida's car, honestly.
Those are original Goodyear tires, huh?
Yeah.
Son of a...
Yeah, this is probably better than Florida's car. Seriously. Because Florida's got, you know, that low mileage car too.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
only got a couple hundred miles on it. This is probably nicer.
Somebody's gonna scoop this up.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be me, but somebody's gonna scoop it up.
Yeah. It just needs to get re-grooved, and that's the only thing wrong with this. It's re-grooved.
What do you mean, like,
The stainless.
yeah, because all these-
The stainless just needs to be re-grooved, otherwise this
Yep.
car is pristine. It's perfect.
Regrained, you mean? Like,
Yeah.
just like, so it's all nice and straight. It looks pretty good. I mean, I'm looking at it right now. I've noticed, you know, mine's got that too.
Yeah.
A little bit of,
Yeah.
you know.
But I
The
mean,
hood's
otherwise,
pretty nice.
this
Striped, a little bit of some stripes, but you
Yeah.
can clean that up. You know what I mean? But,
Well,
I
but
mean,
the
look at how clean.
But the thing is, there's all this stuff that hasn't been done to it, because I'm sure it's probably got the original shift linkage in it, which needs to be replaced.
Yeah, of course.
The coolant bottle, if you actually want to drive it.
If you actually want to drive it,
If you want to drive it.
this would be great to sit in a museum, somebody's private collection. Like, hey, you know, it's all original.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know?
absolutely.
Pretty sweet.
You drive it into the wheel tires and stuff.
Basically,
3
yeah.
miles.
Yeah, no, you take those wheels and tires off and buy a whole nother set of wheels
Yeah,
and tires.
that's
Keep those those ones on the wall,
yeah.
right?
Yeah. The 40th anniversary, nice. It's cool, man.
Hey, Doc, you better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Like DeLorean?